Hey guys, today I'll be making honey sriracha chicken pasta in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 pound of your favorite uncooked pasta, 1 pound of chicken thighs cut up, 1/4 cup of oil, 3 cups of water. I'll be using the VH's Honey Sriracha sauce, and of course an Instant Pot. So let's get started. So first you're going to set your Instant Pot on saute mode. And then you're going to add your oil, and your chicken. Once the color starts to change, add all the spices except the sriracha sauce. Mix well and let it fry for a few minutes. Now add the pasta, and the water. Make sure the water is at the same level as the pasta. Do not add extra water. Cover and make sure that your valve is set to sealing. Set your Instant Pot to 6 minutes. Once the timer is up, we'll give it a quick release. Make sure your pin has dropped before opening the pot. Don't turn your pot off. Now we'll add the sriracha sauce and mix well. The excess water will start to evaporate. And there you have it. Easy and fast honey sriracha chicken pasta. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.